Hi guys, you got a Honda or a Harley that's got this acne look going to it. You want to polish it out, so this is your look you got. Okay, it's very simple. We tape off the fender, we tape off the upper shock tube. We take one of our Scotch-Brite pads. When you use this with water, it'll act as a lubricating. Put a little water on it. Scrub this coating off. This is just a plastic anodized coating they use as a protectant, but as you see, it doesn't protect nothing. Scrub it till all the oxidation and pitting's gone, until it's smooth. Take some 4-ounce steel wool, take a little bit of Gord's polish, put it on, give it a scrub. It's very simple to buff it out. Take your low RPM buffer, or even you can use a 1500 RPM wool pad. As you can see, buffed it once, left a little trail mix on there, and what I call burnishing. Come back the second time, take a little bit of 4-ounce steel wool, wipe it down again, come back with a buffer. You can see the little bit of burnishing here. Just come back, you can wipe it down with some polish. If not, that's the results. Air shine every time.